You take care of your home, you paint, seal, clean, repair, because look, you know that a little preservation goes a long way, right? But there's one part of your home that's really easy to overlook, and that is your roof. Your roof faces extreme stress, heating up to over 140 degrees in the sun, then cooling rapidly with rain or nightfall. And over time, that cycle, combined with UV rays, wind, water, algae, and hail, well, it takes its toll. Granules loosen, shingles crack, nails back out, and with roof replacement costs up more than 40%, protecting the roof you already have just makes sense, and it saves serious money. And that is where Shingle Shield Max comes in. This is a professional-grade, eco-friendly roof protection system developed by experts with over 15 years of proven performance. It's the same trusted technology, but now upgraded into a contractor-grade, 5-year warrantable formula available exclusively through authorized Shingle Shield Max dealers. So think of this as a wetsuit for your roof. Sealing, strengthening, protecting every shingle from the elements. It works on asphalt, clay, and slate, and every application comes with a 5-year transferable warranty, adding peace of mind and property value. So the result, well, your roof looks and performs like new, weather ready, built to last. Most homeowners add 5 to 8 years of life to their roof without replacing a single shingle. So it's smart maintenance that pays for itself, protecting your home, your wallet, and the environment. Your local Shingle Shield Max dealer offers a free, no-obligation roof inspection to see if your home qualifies, because you don't need to replace your roof, you just need to protect it. Shingle Shield Max, roof protection for maintenance-minded homeowners. Don't replace it, protect it.